What's up guys, today I'm going to teach you how to change out a 2007 Kia Spectra windshield wipers because these ones are jacked. So come join me, let's go. Alright, so first thing you're going to need is brand new windshield wipers. We got the Rain-X for the driver's side, it's going to be a size 24. And then for the passenger side, it's going to be a size 16. Okay, so this is going to be 16 and that's going to be a size 24. If you need that information, there you go, there you have it. You can leave this video. If not, I'll teach you how to change it. So let's go get into this of how to change it. It's pretty quick. Let's go. First thing you're going to want to do is pop open your driver's side because you're going to change the biggest one first. And you're going to put it all the way like that because I'm going to show you this part right here has the lock. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a lock right there. What you're going to want to do is pinch it and pull it down. There you go. And that's how you remove it. Be careful because you might slam back and crack your glass. So you can keep it up, you know. To be safe, you can put the old one right here just in case, you know. And then we're gonna go ahead and open the size 24. Also, my style of filming is a little different because it's a new camera from my older videos, which is actually, I'm using a GoPro. So hopefully this first video on the GoPro is a car video. It doesn't look that bad, but it's a quick video of how to and stuff. So we're gonna go ahead and open this Rain-X wiper up. Remember, this is a size 24. It does come with an adapter if you have those bigger wipers, but you're gonna see how it is, how it went in. You're gonna put the lock this way, and you always put the lock facing down that way. So all you gotta do is attach it to your wiper blade arm, just like that, and you're just gonna push up. Pretty simple. You could go ahead and remove that. Right there, boom. Done for the first driver's side windshield wiper. Second one, we'll go over here. We'll do this bad boy. This one, you don't have to lift all the way up, you know, because it's like that, it's too high. You can go ahead and do this, and as I said, you're gonna pull this tab right here. Pull that tab, and then you'll pull down. That's it. Again, leave it here just in case, for safety, in case the blade goes down and cracks your glass. You don't want that to happen. I like to do a little X, like that, boom, so you can see. That's for safety. Just for safety reason. We're gonna go ahead and open the 16 inches of the Rain-X wiper blades. So if you have a 2007 Kia Spectra, you're gonna need a size 24 and a size 16. 16 is gonna be the smaller side, which goes to the passenger. 24 goes to your driver. Again, you're gonna see it. Which one has the part where the pinch of the clip is? You're gonna put that facing down. So then you pull this up. You're facing it down, just like that. Put it like up there, and all you gotta do is pull it up, and it locks. Now you can go ahead and check how that works, if it works good or not. And that's how easy it is to change out a 2007 Kia Spectra wiper blades. If you needed that information, because sometimes I don't even remember what's the wiper size. Size 24 inches. Driver's side, and 16 for the passenger side. So 16 inches for the passenger side. My name's Mark. Peace. I'm out. Catch you on the next one.